Yes, hi friends. In previous session, we are already discussing about what is binary search tree and how to construct a binary search tree, right? So in this session, we are mainly concentrating on one more operation on binary search tree, that is deletion operation, right? So what is the main purpose of deletion operation? To delete an element or node from the tree, that operation is called as deletion operation, right? So there are three possible cases in binary search tree deletion, right? So we are discussing one by one, right? So first of all, what is the first case? If the deleted node contains zero children, so which are nothing but leaf nodes. A node which does not contain any children, those nodes are considered as leaf nodes, right? So zero children, leaf nodes. Then just delete it. Right? So here, what is this second one? So if the deleted node contains one children, then child will replaces the parent position. Right? So this is the second possible case, right? So what is the third possible case? If the deleted node contains two children, then so here two possible cases for this one. So maximum child of left subtree, will replaces the parent position. Second case is minimum right children will replaces the parent position. So these are the two possible cases if the deleted node contains two children. Right? So here I am taking one example. So here I am taking one example. So based on that example, here I am showing all the possible cases for binary search tree deletion operation. Right? So here I am taking one binary search tree. For suppose I am taking 50, 20, 80, 10, 30, 60, 90. Five, 15, 25, 35, 55, 65, 85, 95. So here 38, 108. Right? For suppose I am considering this is our tree. This is our tree. So this is 95. This is 95. Right? For suppose I am considering this is our tree. Right? So this tree satisfies binary search tree property. What is the binary search tree property? So binary search tree is a binary tree which contains at most two children, either 0 children or 1 children or 2 children, right? So in addition to that, left subtree contains or less values when compared to root node, right? So right subtree contains all greater values when compared to root node. So these properties are satisfied by this tree. So that's why this tree is called as binary search tree, right? So here I want to perform deletion operation, right? So here for suppose I want to delete 38. I want to delete 38, 30. So here 38 does not contains any children. So that's why there is no need to apply any changes on binary search tree. So simply perform deletion operation. So simply I delete 38. Now tree also satisfies the binary. Now newly generated tree also satisfies the binary search tree property, right? So then I am deleting 13. So 13 is also a leaf node. So that's why simply we are performing deletion operation. The newly generated tree also satisfies the properties of binary search tree, right? So then I want to delete 95. So 95. So here if the node contains only one children, so this is the second possible case. If the deleted node contains one children, then child will replaces the position of the parent, right? So here this node contains only one children, so this position is replaced by 108, right? So in BST deletion, internal node deletion is not possible, just we can replace the positions, right? So here 108 replaces the position of 95, right? So here I am replacing, so child will replace the parent position, so this is 108, right? Then I am deleting 108, right? Then I want to delete 20. I want to delete 20, right? So here a node which contains two children, so this is the third possible case, right? So in this case you have to replace maximum of left child, maximum child of left subtree or minimum child of right subtree, right? So here for 20, what is the maximum left child? So here in this left subtree, what is the maximum value? 15. What is the minimum value of right subtree? 25. So either 20 replaced by 15 or 25, right? For suppose I want to replace 20 by 15. So just here 20 is replaced by 15, then delete 15. Now newly generated tree also satisfies the binary search tree property. For each and every deletion, we need to check whether the tree satisfies the binary search tree property or not. So that is very important thing, right? So then I want to delete 80. So 80 is replaced by maximum of left child or minimum of right child. What is the maximum of left child? 65 is the maximum of left child, right? So what is the minimum of right child? 85 is the minimum of right child, right? For suppose I want to replace the minimum of right child by 80. So what is the minimum value? 85. So here 80 is replaced by 85, then delete 85. Now newly generated tree also satisfies the binary search tree property, right? So for suppose I want to delete root node 50. So this node also contains two children, right? So either it can be replaced by a maximum of left child of left subtree, minimum of right child of right subtree, right? So what is the maximum left child for this one? 35. What is the minimum right child? 55. So either this one or this one is replaced by 50. For suppose I want to replace 50 by 55. So here 55 replaces the 50, then delete 55. Then delete 55, right? So now newly generated tree also satisfies the all binary search tree properties. So all the elements which are presented at left subtree are less values when compared to root. All the right subtree values are greater values when compared to root node, right? So that's why this is also a binary search tree, right? So this is about deletion operation, right? So if you have any doubts regarding to binary search tree deletion, please post your doubts in comment section. Thank you.